Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More. I'm here for the Passion for Purple collaboration. This is hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick. We post on the 15th. I wrote down anytime. I thought it was at noon. I was really pushing to get for noon today, but I missed it. But so I'm glad it's anytime. I hope that's right. Anyway, this, like I said, is hosted by Kim over at Metal Scrap and Chick. Use the hashtag to find everyone. It'll be in the title and in the description down below. And I will also put a link to Metal Scrap and Chick's channel. And because I don't know who else is participating besides Metal Scrap and Chick. There probably are a few others. Not everyone will be doing jewelry, but I will be. Always on this channel will be jewelry or bead related things. So I made a necklace and a pair of earrings, and that's all for this one. But I had this amethyst and silver, I don't know if it's silver plated or silver tone. I have to read the bag. I think I got this at Auntie's Beads years ago, and it looks like that on the back. So I used a piece of 20 gauge wire and put these on. These actually are ceramic beads, but I don't know if you can tell. They sort of look like they have like turtle shell markings. Let me do something with another light here. One sec. I forgot to swing my one light around it. It's kind of shadowy. I know this one light always makes it glary, but there we can see it better. See, it looks like turtle shell markings to me. So I wanted to use them. I got them off Etsy quite a number of years ago, and I've had them along with two other a little bit larger, darker purple. I didn't use those, but I like those with it to kind of look like a turtle shell. And then these beads here, all these beads except those two little ones, are from the bargain bead box from I think February, and it was called something like Amethyst Dream or what. These were the last of these, I think they're 10 millimeter amethyst, and then these are matte. I don't know if they're amethyst or if they're agate. I can't remember. Anyway, and then these were amethyst out of my stash, these little ones. The little bead caps I used were out of that same bargain bead box, just around the light color beads. This chain is from my stash. It's a Beading 5.5 millimeter link chain. I love it. This is the last of the clasps like this, and I put an oval jump ring on here that's a little bigger than this chain, but it's kind of oval too for this to work, and then an oval one in the back, and then I use this which got twisted. I'll have to straighten that out. Sort of suedette cord around the back, and these are Beading ribbon crimps, I guess they're called. I don't know. So I was aiming for 18, but I think this ended up being about 20 inches long. I'm not 100% sure. I struggled. I had smaller chain and I thought it looked too flimsy for the wire here, so I put on the bigger chain, but I made it longer. And then I realized it wasn't quite long enough, but I didn't feel like putting like another row of beads back here. So yeah, I was creating on the fly today. The same day this has to go up. So anyway, that is my necklace. And then I just made a simple pair of earrings. I had these amethyst drops in my stash. The bead caps are the same ones from the bargain bead box, and then these are two amethyst crystals from that Austrian company that we're not supposed to name that begins with an S. They were the last two I had in that size and that color, so I decided to put them on there. They're not exactly the same purple, but you know, we got all kinds of purples going on here. So those are my makes. Let me put this off the bust and lay it down for you so you can see. Go like this, and the clasp is sort of on the side because of the way I figured it would be nice to have something like smooth against your skin in the back. So it's a side clasp, sort of a back side clasp, not a back side, but a side back clasp. And there we have a smiley face with a turtle. I love turtles, except when they get on my fishing hook when I'm fishing, which I haven't been for like, I don't know, 3 or 4 years now, probably, maybe 5. So anyway, that's it for my passion for purple. Please do go check out Metal Scrap and Chick. And like I said, it's not all going to be jewelry. People could be doing paper crafts or knitting or crocheting or whatever they choose. And if you want to play along, just because it's an open collab, just use the hashtag and post your makes. I'm sure Kim would love that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and come back again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.